Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. Anyway, hey, what's up y'all? I just wanted to share with you all this helpful news that I just discovered. But anyway, mine is all that. Trust me, it's not dancing. It have a lot to do with your hair on your head. So I just put a relaxer. I did this in January. I put a relaxer in my head. I regret it. I mean, why did I do that? But due to the history of my hair, I knew that me putting a relaxer in my hair was not a good for me. But I just wanted to just maintain and loosen the curl patterns. Sometimes when you have a natural hair, it just can be hard to just maintain it. So that's why I put the relaxer in my head. But anyway, I just wanted to share with y'all this good news I have. This is what can be helpful for you when you are dealing with the same issue that I'm dealing with. Products that I use to allow me to restore and strengthen my hair and just helping it to just, maintain its health is these products that I'm going to show y'all right now. Boom. Oplex is like my favorite. It helps restores the hair. It hydrates it, repairs it, give it its them chemical bonds to line up and rebuild itself into the hair cuticle to just allow it to maintain its health from damage from the chemical. This actually has technology in it. It has technology in it, and it also is for all hair types. So that's a plus. And it's not necessary for chemical like relaxers. It's also helpful for color, help for perms, heats, all of that. This is like the perfect shampoo, conditioner, product to use when your hair is like damage with a capital D. This is what you need. I think everybody needs this in their medicine cabinet or wherever they keep their hair products. They need this. You need it, girl. You need it because whatever your hair is damaged, baby, boom, this will repair it. Anyway, moving on. Reckon is like my I would say this is like my favorite. Like I think it outdo Oplex. It's like I'm torn between two, but Reckon, only reason why I like this so much is because it leaves your hair so soft. I just, girl, it leave your hair so freaking soft, and then it got protein in it. It's for like dry and brittle hair, when your hair is just so freaking dry and girl, your scalp is just itching. This will allow your hair to help with all of that. It just give it that bounce, that lusciousness, that softness when your man is want to go rub his fingers through your hair. Like, girl, I'm telling you, Reckon, this product is like my favorite, like hands down. Protein, with the protein in it, it's just helpful for when you're dealing with like damaged chemical hair, as well as even if you don't have a chemical in your hair. It's just good, and it's also for all hair types. So yeah, this is my favorite. Also, last but not least, is the conditioner that I like to use. I think a lot of people already know about this brand. designer essentials. This is like my I say my third favorite. It's good because it only reason why I like this product is because it got almonds and avocado in it, and it is a moisturizer as well as a detangler. It's kind of like a 2-for-1, only because you have it's for natural hair. It helps with your roots, your new growth, as well as detangling those chemical ends that you have on the end of your hair. Like sometimes when you dealing with like putting chemical in your hair, and you have like both of it in your hair, you have natural hair from your new growth, and then you have the chemical on the end of your hair, and you shampoo and just massaging all in your scalp, your ends tend to, your hair is fragile while it's wet. Keep in mind. So when you massaging and scratching your hair and girl, get this spot, you know what I'm saying? It helps when dealing with it being tangled, because your hair can get matted, because it got two textures in your hair. So that that's why it's just like my third favorite, only because it held that detangler where it helps with that, and it just keep it moist. It moisturize it. And what I like to do, this is a helpful hint, is to co-wash my hair first before I put the shampoo on it, because it just any conditioner actually really detangle your hair, but when they have that detangler to that ingredient to actually detangle it, keep in mind that it do exactly what it says it's gonna do. And when you having that already detangled ingredient to help with that, it just you don't have to work so hard, so that's why I like this product. And yeah, it got almonds and avocado in it. Like, you can't beat that. So I'm just hope that was helpful for you guys to pass along, help with you guys when it comes to y'all chemical hair that y'all decided to just go ahead and put the relaxing in, because I don't got time for this, girl. I don't got time for this. How y'all be like me. I just decided to put that damn relaxer in my head. But hey, I just want to know, let's just let y'all know, throw that out there, to give y'all them helpful products to use to maintain y'all health overall, and giving it the strength it needs to allow itself to be healthy while y'all transitioning back into its natural state. So with that being said, I'm rambling. I hope you guys have an awesome hair day. So I'll see y'all later. Bye. Mwah.